In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete everything from a Samsung phone. This process will completely erase all data, so it's crucial that you back up anything important before proceeding. You'll lose all apps, photos, videos, files, messages, contacts, accounts, and settings stored on your device. Let's get started. First, you will need to open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. This is where you can manage all the features and settings of your device. Look for the icon that resembles a gear, which is typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping this icon opens up a menu where all of your settings are organized. This step is essential as it leads you to the reset options, which are located within the settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate easily. Next, tap on General Management. This section contains various options related to managing your device's settings. Here, you will find options for language, date, and time, and importantly, the reset options. It is crucial to locate this menu because it is where you can initiate the factory reset. As you navigate through this section, remember that you are just a few taps away from clearing your device completely. After that, tap on Reset. This action will take you to the next screen where you will see different reset options. The reset menu is where you can restore your device to its original factory settings or reset network settings. It's important to choose the correct option for your needs. In this case, you want to proceed with the factory reset, which will erase all data on the phone. Take a moment to ensure you are ready to move forward, as this step cannot be undone. Now, tap on Factory Data Reset. This option will prompt you with a warning about the data that will be erased. It's important to read through this information carefully. You will see a list of the types of data that will be deleted, such as apps, photos, and settings. This is crucial because it reinforces the importance of backing up any information you want to keep. Once you've reviewed the details, you can confidently proceed. After reviewing the information, tap on Reset. This is the final confirmation before your device is wiped clean. You may be prompted to enter your PIN or password to verify your identity. This step is designed to protect your information from being erased without your permission. Once you complete this step, your phone will begin the factory reset process. It may take a few moments, so be patient as your device prepares for a fresh start. Before you reset, back up any important files. This is a critical step to ensure that you do not lose any valuable photos, documents, or other data. You can back up your files to a cloud service or transfer them to a computer. Always double-check that everything you want to keep is securely stored before proceeding. This little step saves you a lot of time and heartache later. Additionally, if you are giving away or selling the phone, remove the Google account and Samsung account. This is important because it prevents the new owner from accessing your personal information. You can find these accounts in the Accounts section of your settings. Make sure to log out of both accounts to ensure a clean slate for the next user. Taking this step helps protect your privacy and secures your data. Finally, charge the battery to at least 50%. This ensures that your phone has enough power to complete the reset process without interruption. A low battery can cause problems during the reset, potentially leading to data corruption. So, plug in your device and let it charge before you begin. Once you have taken these precautions, you can confidently reset your Samsung phone, knowing that you have safeguarded your important data.